Dear students, before starting our exercise 5.6, it is necessary to understand the two criteria of naming the triangles. Here I am going to explain you the classification of triangle. It is also in your textbook. Our first criteria is based on size of angles. Other criteria is based on length of the sides. Okay. Let us see this one first. First, under it is actual angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. First one. Then a triangle in which all the angles are acute is called an acute angled triangle. Means the triangle which has all the three angles, acute angles, is called an acute angled triangle. Means all the angle will be smaller than 90 degree. Okay. For example, this is a triangle and its all three angles are less than 90 degree and are acute angles. Here we can clearly see that the angles are acute. So this is our first part under the criteria based on size of angles. All three angles are acute here. Next, under it is right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right is called a right angle triangle. In a triangle, if one angle is a right angle, means of 90 degree, then the triangle so formed will be called as right angled triangle. Suppose we have one triangle and under it, if the given angle is of 90 degree, then the triangle will be called as right angled triangle. And student, remember one simple fact that in a triangle, only one angle can be of measure 90 degree. There cannot be two or three right angles in one triangle. Okay, so this is right angle triangle. Next under it is obtuse angle triangle. And an obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is obtuse. It's called an obtuse angled triangle. If a triangle has its one angle, an obtuse angle, then in this criteria we will call the triangle an obtuse angle triangle. Let us draw one obtuse angle. Now after joining these 2 points in this triangle, this particular angle is obtuse. So the name of the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So student, on the basis of angles, we can classify the triangle in 3 parts. Okay. First, acute then second right, and third obtuse angle, triangle. Now student, and in any triangle there can only one right angle, or there can be only one obtuse angle. Now student, our next criteria of classifying the triangle is based on length of sides. Student, here we will classify the triangle on the basis of length of the sides of triangle. Under this criteria, we can classify the triangle in three parts. So here, first one is equilateral triangle, and it is a triangle in which all three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Means a triangle of all equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. Suppose we have this triangle ABC, and its all of sides are of 5 centimeter each. So this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Second is isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. It means if in any triangle any two sides are of equal length and other sides is smaller or bigger than two equal sides, so we called that type of triangle an isosceles triangle. Suppose in a triangle these two are of 5 centimeter and this is of 7 centimeter. So student, AB and AC are two equal sides and third side of 7 centimeter is bigger. So this is our isosceles triangle. In other way, we can see this triangle. Suppose these two sides are of 4 centimeter and the third one is of 2 centimeter. Now here also it is isosceles triangle. Now in isosceles triangle any two sides should be equal. Now next under it is Escalant Triangle, and it is if all the sides of the triangle are of different length, then the triangle is called Escalant Triangle. Suppose we have a triangle, these are its sides. This one side, other side, and another side is this. A, B, and C. Suppose it is of 3 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, and this one is of 5 centimeter. So this triangle is Escalant Triangle. So this was the last part of our classification, and it is complete now. And dear student, this whole thing you have to write in your notebook just before exercise 5.6. Okay?